Hey guys, Tony here. Good afternoon.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto South Raid Street.
We're second week, third day of trading for the FOREX EA. It does look like we are going to be closing. Well, we did not closing, but we did close at a $31 gain from yesterday to today.
Turn left onto South Raid Street.
What is it called? We are hitting. Let me get this out of the way. We are hitting $12.99 for the account. So we started with $978. We're currently basically at $1,300. We have made what, $300 and something so far. So we did just cross. Let me see how much we made since we started. So we did cross.
Continue on South Raid Street for 3 miles.
The 300 barrier. We're at 321. So it does look like we are over a full 30% gain in about a week and 3 days, which is pretty insane, considering that we're barely at a week and a half basically. We still have another 3 weeks and a half to go, which means that we might actually make over $1,000, well, which is, pretty insane considering we started with 978. We might actually make more than a full 100% on the EA for the month. Again, if it doesn't blow the account or anything, but every single day that it makes money, it's less and less over leverage on my side, because again, you need to have at least $2-3 grand to run this safely. Just letting you guys know right now, I am over leveraged, or I was over leveraged at 978. But it does look like it's gonna be making somewhere over $1,000. So super insane, super awesome. I'll keep you guys updated every single day, and we'll kind of go from there. Bye.